Let's talk about solar and lunar eclipses. When the shadow of one celestial body like the moon or the earth falls on another, any eclipse occurs. A solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, and the shadow of the moon falls on part of the earth. A lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, and the shadow of the Let's talk about a couple of ways to help you remember the difference between the solar and lunar eclipse. The order of the celestial bodies during a solar eclipse is the sun, moon, and earth, or SME. Also, please remember that the shadow of the moon only falls on a small portion of the earth. And people in this portion can look towards the sun to see the solar eclipse. Remember, never look directly at the sun, that's not healthy. During a lunar eclipse, the order of the celestial bodies is sun, or moon, or SIM. There are three main types of solar eclipses: the total, partial, and annular. A total solar eclipse occurs at us when a small portion of the earth that the umbra covers the sun is covered for a brief period of time, and it will become dark. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the umbra does not hit the earth, or in the region of the penumbra, during a total eclipse. An annular eclipse occurs when the moon is near the furthest point from the earth, called the apogee, and the moon does not block out the sun completely. And here's what it looks like. There are also different types of lunar eclipses. A penumbral lunar eclipse is when the moon passes through the earth's penumbral shadow. A partial lunar eclipse is when a portion of the moon passes through the earth's umbral shadow. And here's what this looks like. And then finally, you have a total lunar eclipse, where the entire moon passes through the earth's umbral shadow.